Hello everybody, today I am in the new Crowthorne building. We haven't officially opened it yet, but I'm giving you a sneak preview. This is one of the many design technology labs. So I can't explain what all these machines do because I really don't know, but let's have a look at what we've got. There's some sanding equipment here. I think, I don't know what that is. This is some kind of drill that's going on there. Here, these are good looking machines. This is like a micro, kind of a lathe thing that will turn metal, very small pieces of metal. Over here we've got the main workbenches. These things are laptop stands, so they can move to here and then the student can work on their laptop at the same time as they're working on their projects. Over here, here's one of the vac formers we've got. These don't know what this is some kind of a saw. There, you can see that does some very good sawing. Another drill there. What else can we find? Over here, I'm sure this is another kind of a saw. They're not switched on, so I'm not going to lose my fingers. And over here, let's have a look, see what's behind here. Tools. But I think not any kind of tool. Let's have a look and see what they are. Some kind of chisels. Whoa, very sharp. Very professional looking chisels. These, I need my glasses to have a look and see what they are. These are what look like Japanese saws. Let's have a look. Oh, made in Japan. Dozuki Fine 240. Very good. Here, what they got? Oh, another Japanese saw. Let's have a look at these. I don't think these are Japanese. I think these are English. E.T. Robertson Lee, made in England, Dorchester. Very good. Don Works. Excellent. Let's see if I can find anything else. What do we got here? Oh, well, of course these are squares, so those things. Even that one, Crown Tools, Sheffield, England. Top quality stuff. Okay, so now I'm on the top floor of the Crowthorne building, the 5th floor. And what's great about this building, one of the many things that's great about this building, is we have these nice wide walkways. We can walk all the way around the building on the outside. That means we've got a beautiful 360-degree view of not just the school, but of Bangkok. So over here, we've got the front field there. This is the roof of the sports hall. The junior school over there in the distance, you can see the swimming pool is down there. Outside of the school, I don't know what that is, another school over there somewhere. And then as we turn around there, you can see our own campus and then the beautiful golf course next door. I can see everything in Bangkok in the distance there behind the golf driving range. And then we've got our own theatre. We've got the centre court down there. We've got the Skylight building there. Again, between there you can see more of the city. And as you walk around, you get this wonderful view of everything you can possibly imagine of Bangkok, all the way around.